everyone! Today I start my new job. Awesome! I meet my new boss and my coworkers. I am excited, but nervous. Here I go.
Come in. Well, Anna, welcome.
Thank you.
I am your boss, Katie Weaver, but please call me Katie.
Thank you, Ms. Weaver.
Just Katie.
Sure thing, Ms. Weaver.
Okay then, are you excited?
Yes, I am excited.
So sorry, but I am busy. Please meet your coworkers, but remember, they are busy working.
Sure. Thanks, Ms. Weaver. Hi there. I'm Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm Anne.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing?
I'm writing.
You are writing. You are writing a lot. Oh dear.
No,
I'm sorry.
that's okay.
I'm
that's
sorry.
okay. Really. Please stop. Please.
Sorry.
People all around the world are waiting to hear news about the next president.
Jonathan, hi. Remember me? I live in your building.
Oh, hi, Anna.
What are you doing?
I am doing my show.
Oh, sorry. Are you recording?
Yes, and now I have to record again.
Sorry. Have a good show.
Thank you.
Sorry.
The word of the day is social. Social is
hi.
an adjective.
I'm Anna.
Hi, I'm Amelia.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing?
I'm reading.
Are you reading the news? Hi.
No, I'm reading for my show. Can I read again?
Sorry. This day is not going well.
Anna, hi. What are you doing?
I am bothering people, Ms. Weaver.
Let's go to my office and talk.
I like to talk with you, Ms. Weaver.
It's Katie.
Right. Thanks, Ms. Weaver.